Hey, what's going on everyone? So in a previous video I talked about how you can use the FC7 FootSwitch Controller with the EAD10, and today I'm going to talk about how you can also use the FC5 FootSwitch Controller and how it can be really useful in changing some of the parameters found within the EAD10.
So just like in the FC7 video, as far as setting up the FC5, the process is exactly the same. The FC7 just has a different mechanic or different movement to it that might make it a little challenging to change certain parameters in the EAD10, whereas FC5 has a quicker reaction time and would work maybe better or be well suited for other parameters in the EAD10. So pretty much the same process. Obviously you got to plug it in to the FootSwitch control input on the back of the module. Once you do that, you're going to go into menu, you're going to go into trigger, you're going to scroll down to FootSwitch select and hit enter. And then here you can see I have FC4/5 selected. And again, this is where you go through, and depending on the FootSwitch controller that you're using, that's the one you would select. So again, FC4/FC5. I'm going to exit out. And then within the menu button, I'm going to scroll down to utility and then scroll down to pad function. And so maybe just four or three things that you could use the FC5 for. The first useful one would be to scroll through different scenes. And it makes it really quick just with the natural action that the FC5 possesses, whereas the FC7 is more of a back and forth movement. You can also use it to go backwards and decrease scenes. You can tap tempo. This would be probably the best pedal for that. Turn the click on and off. That would be, the FC5 would be the best pedal for that. And then the bypass on and off would be really useful with the FC5 as well. So just a little note here, once you're on the bypass on off section, you'll see the scroll down button in the center here. You're going to tap on that, and then you're going to go to all the things that you can check off that you want to be bypassed at a certain time within a scene that you're using. So in this case, I have reverb and effects checked off. Once you have whatever you want checked off, you hit the scroll up button to get out of that. Now as an example, say I have a specific scene, maybe a flanger scene or something like that, and I want to play a fill, but I want those effects to be turned off. And with a quick tap of the FC5, I can turn the reverb and effects off. As you see here, it's blinking, so it's being bypassed. And then when I'm finished with my fill, all it takes is just a quick tap of the button again, or the FootSwitch control again, to turn those back on. So these are just some of the useful ways that you can utilize the FC5 with the EAD10. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you soon.